morning, children. This is our English class. Today we will solve the exercise part of chapter 2, The Cat and the Bell. Have you remembered the story? In our previous class, we have read the story about the mice and a cat. Now, we will solve this page. Okay. Circle the correct word in each sentence from the words given in brackets. Here, two words are given in brackets and we have to circle the correct word. Number A. The birds had their dust or nests in the house. The bird had their nests. Okay. Number B. When the bell rings, we will run off. We will run off first or best. First. Run first. We must or rest. Do something to stop the cat. We must do something to stop the cat. D. How or who will put the bell on the cat? Who will put the bell on the cat? Okay. Number E. We do not hear or hear when the cat comes. Here denotes, here means a place, here, there, okay, and this here is an action which we do with our ears, okay, so we do not hear when the cat comes. Number A. When the cat was about or away, the mice began to play. When the cat was away, okay. So next, number 2. Make sentence. Afraid of. You can write the mice were afraid of the cat. Okay. Second one, full of. The basket is full of flowers. You can write this. Here and there, the children are running here and there, okay, or you can write when the cat comes, the mice run here and there. Next page. Matching. Now we are going to match these two columns. Here are opposite words. Opposite of big is small. Opposite of old is new. Opposite of old is new. Opposite of here, there. Opposite of fast, slow. Opposite of few, many. Happy, opposite of happy. Sad, opposite of comes, goes. Catch, throw. This, that, white, black. Children, you should write numbers beside these words or you can't understand in this way, okay. So when you will write this in your copy, you should put numbers like this. Big, opposite of big, small. You have to write one beside small. then opposite of old, new, 2. Okay, or you can write ABCD in this way. So try to solve this matching in your copy. Next day we will read chapter 3. Thank you.